Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we see about chapter 2 polynomials. Okay, first we see introduction. Polynomial is a mathematical expression constructed with constant and variables using the four operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Example 3x plus 2, 4x plus 5, 5x plus 7, etc. Then terms of polynomials, that is constant into variables. Example 2x, 3y, 5x square. 2, 3 and 5 is a constant. Xy, x square is a variable. Okay, types. First one, monomial, polynomial having only one term. Example 3x. Then binomial, polynomial having only two unlike terms. Example 4x plus 2. Then trinomial, polynomial having only three unlike terms. Example 6x square plus 7x plus 5. Then degrees of polynomial. Okay, highest power of the variable in polynomial, that is degrees of polynomial. Example, okay, we see the tabulation. First one, constant polynomial. Example 1. So example 1 equal to 1 into x power 0. Okay. Variable x, that is a power 0. So degree of polynomial is 0. So variable x oda power 0. So degrees of polynomial is 0. Then linear polynomial. Example 2x plus 1. So x oda power 1. So degree of polynomial is 1. Then quadratic polynomial, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So highest power in x value is 2. So degree of polynomial in quadratic polynomial is 2. Then cubic polynomial, 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So highest power is 3. So degree of cubic polynomial is 3. Okay, power of variable is always whole number. Only whole number values மட்டும்தான் பவர்ல யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Okay, which one is not a polynomial? Example 5x power minus 2 plus 1 is not a polynomial because power value is negative value, that is a negative exponent. Power of x is minus 2, that is not a whole number. Second example, 3x power 1 by 2 plus 2 is not a polynomial because fraction exponent. So that is not a whole number. So 3x power 1 by 2 plus 2 is not a polynomial. Okay, then we see the example. Look at the graphs in figure 2.9 given below. Each is a graph of y equal to p of x, where p of x is a polynomial. For each of the graphs, find the number of zeros of p of x. Okay, 6 subdivisions கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 6 graphs. Okay, ஒவ்வொரு கிராஃப்க்கும் நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணோம். Find the number of zeros of p of x. Okay, the number of zeros of p of x equal to the graph intersects the x-axis. The graph intersects the x-axis at how many points are there in a x-axis? Okay, first subdivision. Okay, so y equal to p of x. So p of x, look at the graph. The graph intersects the x-axis at only one point. So the number of zeros of x is p of x is 1. So x-axis la cut ஆயிருக்கிற point எத்தனை points இருக்கோ, so the number of zeros is same. Second graph. So the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points 1 2. So x-axis la graph intersects ஆயிருக்கிறதுல 2 points வந்து intersect ஆயிருக்கு. So the number of zeros is 2. Then third, y equal to p of x. Look at the graph. The graph intersects the x-axis at 1 2 3. So the number of zeros is 3. Then fourth, so x-axis la cut ஆயிருக்கிற points only 1 point. So number of zeros is 1. So x-axis la intersect ஆயிருக்கிற இந்த y equal to p of x என்றது இந்த line. So இந்த line x-axis la intersect எத்தனை இடத்துல ஆகுது, எத்தனை points la ஆகுது. So only 1 point. Then fifth subdivision, y equal to p of x. The graph intersects the x-axis at only 1 point. Number of zeros is 1. Okay, how many points are there in the sixth subdivision? 1 2 3 4. Okay, the number of zeros is 4. Then exercise 2.1. The graph of y equal to p of x are given in figure below. For some polynomials p of x, find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. Same type of problem in example. Okay, 6 subdivision கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Same அதே மாதிரி தான். x-axisல y equal to p of x என்ற line or curve கட் ஆயிருக்கிற x-axisல intersect ஆயிருக்கிறது எத்தனை pointsல intersect ஆயிருக்கு. So எத்தனை pointsல intersect ஆயிருக்கோ that is the number of zeros of p of x. xல intersect ஆயிருக்கணும். xல எத்தனை pointல x-axisல எத்தனை pointsல intersect ஆயிருக்கோ that is the value of the number of zeros. Okay, first the number of zeros is 0. Okay, first subdivision la நமக்கு x-axisல intersect ஆகவே இல்லை. So the number of zeros is 0 as the graph does not cut x-axis at any point. Second subdivision, so y equal to p of x. Only 1 point. The graph intersects the x-axis at only 1 point. So number of zeros is 1. Then see the third one. Okay, 1 2 3. So number of zeros is 3. Then fourth subdivision, 1 2. Answer is 2. Then fifth one, 1 2 3 4. The number of zeros is 4. Then sixth subdivision, 1 2 3. So the number of zeros is 3. So same, the graph intersects the x-axis at how many points are there in the graph. So the number of zeros which is equal to the graph intersects the x-axis. So x-axis la graph எத்தனை points la intersect ஆயிருக்கோ same the values of the number of zeros of p of x.